Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you install a zip file on Android. To install a zip file on Android, you'll need to extract the content of a zip file. Now here's how you could do it. Now most of the devices at the moment have an inbuilt feature, the file manager. If you do not have the file option, then you could install the ZArchiver as well. That is going to help you out to extract your zip file. So here's what you'll need to do it. First of all, you need to go ahead and download it. So I have this zip file in my Gmail, so I have to go ahead and install or download this first of all. After it is downloaded, it's going to be on my files. So you want to open this out, and here you actually want to go ahead and click on the download section, and you could see the file that I've downloaded. Now this is the particular zip file that I actually want to extract it. What you could do is you could just simply click that out, and here you have this confirmation as you want to extract. Click the extract button, and now that you've successfully extracted, you could find or you could actually open up the install. Now what you have to do is to install a zip file on Android. You have to use the APK files. Now zip file can only be extracted, it cannot be installed. Then if the zip file contains the APK file, navigate to the extracted folder in your file manager and open the file one after the another. So this way you'll be able to install the APK file. So that's how it actually works. And likewise, if you do not have the following app, as I mentioned earlier, you could go with the ZArchiver. You could install it from the Play Store and do the same procedure as I showed you earlier, and that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.